In this video, we will create a simple inter-VLAN routing topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. This lab is perfect for beginners learning how VLANs communicate through a router. Let's walk through the topology and all the configurations you will need. The topology for this lab is very simple. We will be using 1. Router, 1. Switch, and 6. PCs. For the purpose of this video, we are going to label the switches based on departments. We will do the same for the IP address we are configuring for the VLAN. So, let's start with the switch. Configuration. The switch will have 3 VLANs: VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. 2 PCs will belong to 1 VLAN. Enable. Config. T. VLAN 10. Name. HR. Exit. VLAN 20. Name. Accounts. Exit. VLAN 30. Name. IT. Exit. Do. WR. Interface. FA0/2. Switch port mode. Access. Switch port access VLAN 10. Exit. Interface. FA0/3. Switch port mode. Access. Switch port access VLAN 10. Exit. Interface range. FA0/4 to 5. Switch port mode. Access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Exit. Interface range. FA0/6 to 7. Switch port mode. Access. Switch port access VLAN 30. Exit. Interface. FA0/1. Switch port mode. Trunk. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN 1020. 30. No. Shutdown. Now, let's talk about what we will configure on the router. The router will use a method called router on a stick to allow devices in different VLANs to communicate. The router connects to the switch using one physical interface, and we will divide that interface into subinterfaces. Each subinterface will act as the gateway for its VLAN. First, we enable the main interface that connects to the switch. We create subinterfaces for VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. We assign IP addresses to each subinterface. These IPs will serve as default gateways for the PCs. We apply .1Q encapsulation, so the router knows which VLAN each subinterface belongs to. Enable, configure, terminal, interface, G0/0. No, shutdown, exit, interface G0/0. 10. Encapsulation.1Q. 10. IP address 192.168.1, 0.1, 255.2, 5.255. 0. Exit, interface G0/0. 20. Encapsulation.1Q. 20. IP address 192.168.2, 0.1, 255.2, 5.255. 0. Exit, interface G0/0. 30. Encapsulation.1Q. 30. IP address 192.168.3, 0.1, 255.2, 5.255. 0. Exit, interface G0/0. 99. Encapsulation.1Q. 99. IP address 192.16, 8.9, 255.2, 5.255. 0. Exit. If you're still watching, do well to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Exclude addresses you don't want DHCP to hand. Out. Usually gateway and reserved static. Addresses. IP DHCP, excluded address, 192.168.1, 0.1 192.1, 6, 8.10. 9. IP DHCP, excluded address, 192.168.2, 0.1 192.1, 6, 8.20. 9. IP DHCP, excluded address, 192.168.3, 0.1 192.16, 8.30. 9. Configure DHCP pools for each. VLAN. IP DHCP pool. VLAN 10. Network. 192.168.1, 0.0, 255.2, 5.255. 0. Default router 192.16, 8.10. 1. DNS server 8.8.8. 8. Domain name YouTube. Test. IP DHCP pool. VLAN 20. Network 192.16, 8.2, 0.0, 255.2, 5.255. 0. Default router 192.16, 8.20. 1. DNS server 8.8.8. 8. Domain name YouTube. Test. IP DHCP pool. VLAN 30. Network 192.16, 8.3, 0.0, 255.25, 5.255. 0. Default router 192.16, 8.30. 1. DNS server 8.8.8. 8. Domain name YouTube. Test. Now let's request for IP address on our PCs to confirm if our configuration worked. Thanks for watch, guys. Do well to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on notification.